the driver is Indian.
Indian?
Arshdeep. Always sometimes also smell is, huh?
No, with Arshdeep we're not coming.
That is new, huh? New.
New with the Zaman and this one. This
I think this one. Last time also smell.
Yeah, because the tire
You
is
smell last
damaged.
time? Yeah. Already we say smell.
In the morning, I feel the smell. I am sitting in the last and I feel smell. I said I cannot breathe. He told me come front. And after it's okay because I opened the window and
Yeah.
But it's smelling almost 3-4 days.
And now it's halal.
We don't know about the these cars, but if you are driver or owner, you know better.
Yes. Hi. Ano ba yan? Hi. Wala na. Late na kami. Dati pag before 9 already at home. Or 9.
Hello brother, where are you now? Okay, you're the one will coming? Another? Or you? Okay.
Sino yun si...
Come 5 minutes, it will come 10 minutes. Then traffic, oh my God.
5 minutes, ba 20 minutes. 5 minutes baka nasa Amad. 5 minutes baka nandun pa yun sa baka nandun pa yun sa yun? Galali. Paikot-ikot. May pasok ka pa naman maaga bukas. Dapat anong oras ka nagigising? 7:30. Kasi ako pag pang 10 ako, nagigising na akong 7:30. Maliligo ka pa.
Ako man din magluto na ng pagkain ko ngayon para bukas. Init ko na lang sa bilis. Kakain na ako.
Pag ako naman, pag hindi weekend, ang pasok ko 12. Pag weekend, pag halimbawa Friday, Saturday, ang pasok ko 10. Kaya pag 7:30 gising na ako, pag pasok ko 10. Cooks Gold, idol. Thank you. Hindi siguro nag-check ng gulong.
About the tires.
Labs, alam naman nilang sira ang gulong. Yan lagi pag sasakay kami, amoy ba yung nasusunog na ruweda? Na goma. Tapos, sige pa silang kuha ng staff. Hinihintay pa nilang ma-flat talaga. Idol, tamsak. Tamsak, thank you sa tamsak. Shoutout host. Ayan, shoutout sa iyo dyan. Idol Cooks Gold. Ingat kayo dyan. Tamsak dan. Thank you so much. Galit na yung mga kasama ko, oh. Wala pa yun. 5 minutes. Wala pa yun. Yung isa nakaupo na, oh. Tapos pag umaga pag umaga din late. Natandaan mo yung inatid tayo late ng half an hour. Kasi yung driver walang alam. Kuan na yun. Nagsundo siya. Nakarating sa akin, kuan na. Ano yung susundo sa ating galing Amwads? Baka si...